This is not just a microphone. This is a Comica CVM-MT06XY stereo motion microphone. It is designed specially for a DJI OSMO POCKET. So if you need to use this microphone, you need to get an Osmo. This microphone can be purchased from Amazon. I got one and it's amazing. Hang on, let me tell you a few things about this microphone. If you're a YouTuber, this is why you need to get this microphone. It is a cardioid microphone with XY stereo dual mic design. 180 degrees adjustable audio recording direction. Wow. And steady square holder design. Ooh. Widely used in a variety of scenes such as motion situations with excellent sound quality. Now, if you're someone that does a lot of motion pictures, this is exactly what you need. It's fabulous for motion pictures. It works perfectly with noise reduction. If you do a lot of surfing, fishing, and all that jazz, this is the microphone for you. I bought one, I love it, tested and tried. Get yours from Amazon. This is not just a microphone. This is a Comica CVM-MT06XY stereo motion microphone. It is designed specially for a DJI OSMO POCKET. So if you need to use this microphone, you need to get an Osmo. So hurry, get yours from Amazon. Posted the link below. Click on it, go to Amazon, get yours. Hurry, hurry, hurry before it runs out. Link below on how you can get one. From one YouTuber to the other, this is perfect. But shh, don't tell anyone. One love, peace, DiGa, IkwerreGirl, right at you. You can thank me later.